what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having great days and most importantly hopefully you guys are safe. So it's summer time guys, and you can get from my look that it's something different, okay? And who says that white color can't be your lead color? Just look at this, it's looking great rather than more nude color and colorful one. I completely love this one. By the way, this look will come on my Instagram as usual because my 90% makeup looks Instagram पे ही होता है. Anyways, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys top 10 product which you should definitely try, and it starts from 30 and it's in till 3000 rupees, and I'm so excited for this video. Hopefully you too. So without further ado, let's get started. First I'm going to start with the lowest price product, which is the 30, and which is this. You must have seen me recommending this on my Nykaa haul. This is basically a nail removing pad and it cost only 30 rupees, and it has 30 nail removing pad in it with nail remover. It means that you doesn't need any kind of a remover or cotton pad separately. This is compact, and trust me, this is one of the best product in this entire haul slash recommendation or slash monthly favorite video, whatever you wanna say this. Okay, next move on to the product which is very new, else very good, but I don't know why it's very underrated, and which is this is pimple and acne patch, and I have a total video on it, how to use it, how it works. So basically it's like a bindi kind of a thing but for your pimple and acne. So it looks like this, and basically अगर आपकी कोई एक्टिव एक्नी या फिर पिंपल होता है, and if you like stick it on your acne or pimple overnight, it will heal like a magic, and trust me, it will work overnight pay. So that much of good this is. And I save it for the special day because acne and pimple, trust me, occasion देख के आता है. And yeah guys, so if you have any confusion how to use it and what is the procedure and everything, just give this video a watch. I'm going to link down upper so you can go and check that. And next move on to some beautiful new product. Basically this is from Derma Co, and this is their हेयर वाइटलाइजर और यू कैन से हेयर कैप्सूल और एनीथिंग, एंड इसमें 30 कैप्सूल्स है, एंड इट कॉस्ट आई थिंक फॉर 249 रुपीज. लाइक इट्स very cheap. Basically the work of this product is कि ये कैप्सूल है लाइक अ टैबलेट. सो आप नॉर्मली इसे आफ्टर टेकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट आप एक कैप्सूल ले लो. सो इट विल हेल्प टू boost up your hair growth, and not only that, it will stop your hair fall, it will prevent from breakage, hair fall, hair loss, graying hair and all that thing. And if you want my recommendation if it's work or not, trust me guys, like trust me, if I have to choose only one product for my entire life hair के लिए, I am going to choose this. I have seen a massive difference in just 7 days, and you have to take it like 1 month complete, like constantly. 7 days के बाद ही I have seen that my hair is falling 1 or maximum 2 in a day. कभी कभार वो भी नहीं होता है. Like look at the baby hairs which is peeking through. Like the boost up of hair growth is like unbelievable. Okay, Derma Co is a dermatologist tested brand, so you can trust them blindly, but still I will recommend you कि आप कोई अगर कोई ट्रीटमेंट के अंदर हो फिजिकली और लाइक कोई भी स्किन के या फिर हेयर के अगर कोई ट्रीटमेंट के अंदर हो, सो बिफोर टेकिंग दिस कंसल्ट विथ योर डॉक्टर. बट अगर आप थैंकफुली अगर आपकी हेल्थ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सो यू कैन टोटली ट्रस्ट दिस. लाइक Derma Co is one of those brand like which is unbelievable but still pocket friendly, and they are Indian brand. Okay, so let me just give you like all the new stuffs recommendation, then I will move on to the old one. So next I have this, and this is also very new. This is from One Skin I guess, and this is basically makeup removing pad. So let me just show you what is this. So इसके अंदर you can see बहुत सारा makeup removing pad is for 5 for your face and 5 for your eye, and this is a bag जहाँ पर like आप यूज करने के बाद इसके अंदर डालो एंड वॉशिंग मशीन पे डाल दो, and it will like totally new. So the thing is that first of all it's environment friendly because it's a bamboo sheet mask. Second of all एक जो ये रिमूविंग पैड है ये आप आई थिंक 200 टाइम्स यूज कर सकते हो if I am not wrong. बिकॉज कॉटन पैड्स एंड मेकअप रिमूविंग जो शीट होता है दैट कैन गिव यू लाइक अ मैसिव scars on your face which you can't see, and that actually causes lots of wrinkles and smile lines. So definitely try this one because it's so पॉकेट फ्रेंडली. लाइक आपको तो 2-3 साल आराम से ये चल जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, इट्स गुड फॉर एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो. सो हाईली रिकमेंड टू यू. Trust this and try this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any brand, so yeah, this is very new and this is very good. Okay, so next move on to some body care product, which is this. I never recommend any body care product. This is for the first time I am recommending you, which is this. This is the Birth Store Body Yogurt, and trust me guys, after using this you are not going to use the bath and body wash product. This is an Indian brand, dermatology tested, and this is basically a body yogurt. And look at this, like look at the consistency. It's purely watery and perfect for the summer. And oh my god, the fragrance are mind blowing but yet very soothing. They have 4 different variant in it. 2 तो मैंने ख़त्म कर लिया है and this is my 3rd tub. Highly recommend to you. They have body washes, they have body butter, but my favorite one, this body yogurt. And next move on to a revolutionary product, at least for me, which is this. This is the Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum, and this is specially for your acne marks, pigmentation marks and all that thing. And oh my god, I seriously don't know how Dermaco can produce this type of product. Like their all products are outstanding, but this product is like, guys, you have to try this. Okay, like thankfully you guys know that मुझे breakouts या फिर pimples का problem ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. Still my skin is acne prone, sensitive and oily because I have to take care of my skin a lot. But 2 to 3 days पहले मुझे यहाँ पर एक एक्ने हुआ था and as usual I pop it up, and for that reason थोड़ा सा spot हो गया था. And trust me, I have used this only for 3 days back to back and it's gone. Like it's magic guys, trust me. And next move on to some old stuff. So next I have a skincare product, and this is I think the last, no, this is the second last. So this is the Dermaco, again Dermaco 2% salicylic acid mask. So basically this is, so I think you guys already know about chemical exfoliation, where chemical peeling solution helps to remove all the dead cells, blackheads and whiteheads and like everything from your face. And basically raw acid acts on your face, but if your skin is extremely sensitive or if you are a teenager, you can't use that. So try this one. This is actually the replica of the chemical peeling solution, but the acidity level and oh my god बट कि अगर आप केमिकल पीलिंग सोल्यूशन एक बार इस्तेमाल करके आपको जो रिजल्ट आएगा, ये आपको एटलीस्ट 2 टाइम्स इस्तेमाल करना होगा आपको वो रिजल्ट लेने के लिए. बट आई थिंक दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर द टीनेजर वन. एंड नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट skincare product, which has to be this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It has 1.5% concentrated hyaluronic acid. I have a full video on it. And guys, no matter like if your skin is dry, sensitive, oily, nothing, like कुछ भी हो आपकी स्किन पे, okay, this is your one stop solution. But the first best product from L'Oreal Paris, it has to be, you know that this is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Again I have a full video on it. I will try to link down all the videos ऊपर या फिर description box पे. And this is my second bottle, and I don't want to talk anything about it because like from the like I think past 2-3 वीडियोस पे मैं सिर्फ इसके बारे में ही बात कर रही हूँ. ट्रस्ट मी, L'Oreal Paris ने मुझे 1 रुपीज़ भी नहीं दिया है टू प्रोमोट इट, बट स्टिल आई एम प्रोमोटिंग बिकॉज गर्ल और बॉय यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस. मैंने जिन लोगों को भी रिकमेंड किया है, उन लोगों ने ट्रस्ट करके ये खरीदा है एंड दे आर थैंकिंग मी एवरी सिंगल डे. सो ट्राई दिस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू फॉल इन लव विथ इट. ओके, एंड द लास्ट hair care product, but the second last product of this entire haul is this is a Philips hair straightener, but this is their advanced, जिसके अंदर आप temperature control कर सकते हो. And this product guys, if you can get it, just get it. Yes, it's little costly than the other straightener because this is not your regular straightener, you guys. This is very different. You can do whatever hairstyle you wanna do with it, so it's costly. And second of all, ट्रस्ट मी 3 महीने वेट करने के बाद मुझे ये मिला है, बिकॉज ये हमेशा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता है, अभी भी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक भी है. सो कीप आई ऑन नायका. जब भी ये स्टॉक पे आएगा जस्ट ग्रैब इट, बिकॉज लाइक विद इन लाइक 10 to 15 मिनट्स से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. सो डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन. हाईली रिकमेंड टू यू. ओके, सो द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड द लास्ट मेकअप प्रोडक्ट इज दिस इज शुगर इल्यूमिनेटिंग मॉइस्चराइजर. एंड girl, this is a beautiful illuminating moisturizer. I have used the MAC Strobe cream recently, but trust me, if I have to choose between these two products, I am gonna choose this. Trust me, I have stopped using highlighter. I just only use this and my face looks like a bulb. So yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully you have loved it and you have enjoyed this. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this with your friends and family. उनको भी थोड़ा सा मदद मिलने दो. And also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.